Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video we are going to discuss about computer memory. There are mainly two types of memory you can see in computer: the primary memory and secondary memory. The primary memory also called the random access memory, and secondary memory also called read-only memory ROM. So it's short, it's called RAM and ROM. Primary memory also divided by 3 and secondary memory also divided by 3. There are 3 types of primary memory and there are 3 types of secondary memory. So the first primary memory is DRAM, and second is SRAM, and the third one is DRAM. The first secondary memory is EPROM, and the second one is EPROM, and the third one is EEPROM. So we understand the computer memory and memory type. Now we are going to discuss more detail with this definition, what actually they are. The DRAM. DRAM stands for dynamic random access memory, is the type of RAM most commonly used in computers. Think of it as your computer's temporary workspace, constantly refreshing data to keep things running smoothly. The second one is SRAM. SRAM, static random access memory, is a type of computer memory known for its high speed and data retention even without power. Think of it like a super fast whiteboard that holds information you're actively working on, unlike RAM, which erases it when you turn off the computer. The next one is DRAM. DRAM, direct ambush DRAM. This is an older type of computer memory known for its high speed but ultimately overshadowed by DDR, SDRM, double data rate, synchronous dynamic random access memory due to cost and complexity. Now we are going to talk about the secondary memory. The first one is EPROM. EPROM, programmable read-only memory, is a type of computer memory that can be written to once. Unlike RAM, which is constantly changing, EPROM holds its data permanently after being programmed. It is used to store essential but unchanging instructions like early computer startup code. Now we are going to talk about EPROM. EPROM stands for erasable programmable read-only memory. It's a type of computer memory that can be erased using ultraviolet UV light and then programmed with new data. Unlike regular ROM, EPROMs offer some flexibility but is less common than modern flash memory. The next one is EEPROM. EEPROM. EEPROM stands for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. It's a type of computer memory that's similar to flash memory but allows individual bytes to be erased and rewriting with electricity. Unlike traditional ROM, which is permanent, think of it as a whiteboard you can erase and reuse but with electronic controls. So if I give you some example, so you can see in here, you can see the hard drive and our partition you can see in here. This is our primary memory. But if you want to open some program from here, if I draw something in here, it stores its data. It's our secondary memory. If I close this one, this will not save in our computer. But if I click on save, then I can easily save this with primary memory. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel